won't look me straight in the eye, so I think it looks like you're
Another spot.
Five? Keeps you busy.
I remember my brother Tom, right?
Oh, yeah.
He's gave her 3 of them.
3 of them?
Really?
Yeah, she's got Nicole here for the helicopter. They had an 11-year-old fly a helicopter like you have never seen. She doesn't do what a helicopter would do. Amazing. Phenomenal.
Now you're talking about a model.
A model helicopter. He had an upside-down flip-flopping, looping, something. I mean,
is he here today?
He's here today, 11 years old.
Are you going to do it again?
Hopefully he'll fly it again.
Oh, cool. Wow. Hey, look at that. Yeah, look at all these airplanes over here, sweetie. Right on the ground over here. Look at them. Yeah?
Look at that one way up there, Tatum.
Yeah.
Look way up there.
Yeah?
There's 3 of them.
3?
Yeah. This is what Daddy ought to get. Model airplane.
I want to.
Well, you had a small version. Some of it's still up in the garage.
Yeah, but I want it. Come on, let's walk down here.
Yeah, let's walk down. There's a lot of them down here.
I definitely want it.
This is one thing I've always wanted to.
eBay. Let's get some.
I always wanted to get into this.
Nothing to lose, really.
I'm gonna ride one.
Till it goes.
Yeah, well, we'll start with the starter one.
I'm gonna ride one.
Oh, you can't ride it. Not like this kind right here.
Remember Wally Fairbanks? Used to do the Santa Claus? Yeah. Whoa, look at those go. Aren't those cool?
34 Mentors owned by Jerry Massey.
Yeah.
Jim Messer's big Stinson SR-10 flying in front of the crowd right now. Even that big bird affected by these gusty winds today.
Those are the ones they have in Walmart. See, those are the ones at Walmart. Too small. Yeah.
They actually work?
I don't know. On TV they do.
Straightening the runway.
We should get screw it. We don't know. That could be a bad thing.
Remember those pretty girls at the food tent still have hot dogs, hamburgers, sausage sandwiches, corn, ice cream. Where else you gonna see so many pretty girls?
Boy, look at that big airplane he's pulling over there. See
That's
that?
about as big as that one over there?
Yeah, I know.
Man on the field.
I forget what scale that is.
Dude, you could probably put Gizmo in there and fly her around.
Oh, yeah.
Big one. We crash it, we'll just get another one. That's cool. We need to get one.
Dad, do you see that dog? That's cute.
I know it.
I just found out I have 1 pair of tickets left.
Dad,
That's 2 tickets for the chicken barbecue dinner at takes place from 4 o'clock until they run out. If you'd like this pair of tickets, the gentlemen are here at the announcer's booth. You can step up here and buy the last 2 tickets in another one of these increasingly popular electric-powered aircraft.
Right there.
The future
No, it's on the ground.
is electric.
No wonder it's so quiet.
Yeah. Wait, that would be interesting to,
I guess
where is it?
Fly.
Cheaper too, I'll bet.
Yeah. Wait.
The whole kit. Looks like you can do a lot with
They
them.
only have tickets.
Here it comes.
Plane's been flying for 14 years.
Here we go.
Well, that is 1+. So Nick's only been flying for 3 years.
Here's an electric one.